Croeso! This session we are going to learn about a tywydd. A tywydd, the weather. Tywydd. Now this word straight away causes some people some difficulties. Listen again. Tywydd. Sometimes you'll hear people say tywydd, a bit more of an ah sound at the beginning, and that's okay too. Tywydd. Sut mae'r tywydd? How is the weather? Sut mae'r tywydd? Sut oedd y tywydd? Sut oedd y tywydd? How was the weather? Sut oedd y tywydd? Braf. Fine. Braf. Mae hi'n braf. It's fine. Mae hi'n braf. Roedd hi'n braf. It was fine. Roedd hi'n braf. Oer. Cold. Oer. Mae hi'n oer. It's cold. Roedd hi'n oer. It was cold. Roedd hi'n oer. Sut bydd y tywydd? How will the weather be? Sut bydd y tywydd? Mae hi'n oer. It's cold. Roedd hi'n oer. It was cold. Bydd hi'n oer. It will be cold. Bydd hi'n oer. Poeth. Hot. Poeth. Mae hi'n boeth. It's hot. Roedd hi'n boeth. It was hot. Bydd hi'n boeth. It will be hot. You'll notice the letters in purple have changed. The word poeth has become boeth. This is an example of the soft mutation or treiglad meddal. Mae hi'n boeth. Now sometimes when you hear bydd hi'n boeth, it might be a bit unfamiliar to you because you've heard somebody saying mi fydd hi'n boeth. Mi fydd hi'n boeth. This is a variation that you might hear particularly up in North Wales. The me doesn't mean anything in and of itself, it's just a bit of the verb really, but it does cause a problem because it causes another mutation in the sentence. Mi fydd hi'n boeth. You can choose to use whichever version you prefer. Toim. Warm. Toim. Mae hi'n dwym. It's warm. Roedd hi'n dwym. It was warm. Bydd hi'n dwym. It will be warm. Heulog. Sunny. Heulog. Here's that mutation again. We can see the letters on the left-hand side in the purple are ones which are going to be subject to treiglad meddal. That is the list of letters which can change in this particular situation. And in the green, a gwyrdd on the right, you can see what they change to. T becomes D and so on. You can always refer back to this part of the video if you need to check it again. Mae hi'n heulog. It's sunny. Now because H wasn't on our list of letters which mutated, it doesn't change here. Mae hi'n heulog. Roedd hi'n heulog. It was sunny. Bydd hi'n heulog. It will be sunny. And there's that other version again. Mi fydd hi'n heulog. It will be sunny. Cymylog, cloudy. Cymylog. Mae hi'n gymylog. It's cloudy. Roedd hi'n gymylog. It was cloudy. Bydd hi'n gymylog. It will be cloudy. Here's another one ending in OG. Niwlog. Foggy. Niwlog. Mae hi'n niwlog. Roedd hi'n niwlog. Bydd hi'n niwlog. It is foggy. It was foggy. It will be foggy. Mae hi'n niwlog. Roedd hi'n niwlog. Bydd hi'n niwlog. Wyntog. Windy. Gwyntog. Mae hi'n wyntog. Roedd hi'n wyntog. Bydd hi'n wyntog. It is windy. It was windy. It will be windy. Mae hi'n wyntog. Roedd hi'n wyntog. Bydd hi'n wyntog. Remember that if we have a G and we need to mutate it, it disappears. So gwyntog has become wyntog here. This is a word that people often struggle to pronounce. That letter U makes an I sound. Stormus. Stormus. Stormy. Stormus. Mae hi'n stormus. Roedd hi'n stormus. Bydd hi'n stormus. It is stormy. It was stormy. It will be stormy. Mae hi'n stormus. Roedd hi'n stormus. Bydd hi'n stormus. Here's the word for rain. Glaw. Rain. Glaw. When we want to say it's raining, we use the word bwrw in front of glaw. Bwrw glaw. The word bwrw means to hit or to beat. Bwrw glaw. Mae hi'n bwrw glaw. Roedd hi'n bwrw glaw. Bydd hi'n bwrw glaw. Notice here that bwrw doesn't mutate. For those of you interested in the grammar, that's because this is a verb and not an adjective. Mae hi'n bwrw glaw. It's raining. It was raining. It will rain. Mae hi'n bwrw glaw. Roedd hi'n bwrw glaw. Bydd hi'n bwrw glaw. Eira. Snow. Eira. Bwrw eira. Snowing. Bwrw eira. Mae hi'n bwrw eira. Roedd hi'n bwrw eira. Bydd hi'n bwrw eira. Cesair. Hail. Cesair. Now I've heard people use the word cen for hail, but it's also the word for dandruff, so I prefer to use cesair. Cesair. Hail. Bwrw cesair. Hailing. Mae hi'n bwrw cesair. Roedd hi'n bwrw cesair. Bydd hi'n bwrw cesair. Let's look at those patterns again. Sut mae'r tywydd? Sut oedd y tywydd? Sut bydd y tywydd? How is the weather? How was the weather? How will the weather be? And we answer those questions with mae hi'n, roedd hi'n, bydd hi'n. It is, it was, it will be. We can use those patterns, mae hi'n, roedd hi'n, bydd hi'n, in all sorts of places in Welsh, so you won't only be using them when you're talking about the weather. Mae hi'n, roedd hi'n, bydd hi'n. I hope that session's been useful for you. Please do check back again to the YouTube channel or on the website www.tyfu-cymraeg.co.uk if you've time for another short Welsh lesson. You can also find me on Twitter, Instagram, and at Ko-fi, that's ko-fi.com, where you can make a donation if these have been useful for you. Hwyl am y tro!